Thick, look at that. Woo! Hi, I'm Fee, this is WBMTV, and today we are testing out another one of our 10-minute air fryer recipes, and we are doing air-fried cheesy things. Air fryers have become so popular recently because they're just like tiny little ovens, therefore they use a lot less energy. So we want to bring you some really fun recipes that you can do in the air fryer so you're not just doing your nuggets and your chips. We found this air fryer cheese thing recipe online and it is just really simple. It's basically egg, flour, breadcrumbs, cover your cheese of choice and put it in the air fryer, and what could be better than melty, cheesy, air fried goodness? We're at the very exciting stage now. This is the messy dipping, put the cheese in all the bowls stage. We're gonna go flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and then repeat. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs. There we go. Let's try a cheese string. So we've got flour, and then we've got egg, and then we have the breadcrumbs. I think this would be great with the kids as well. They would love it. And like, what other cheese could you put? What could you use? We were trying to think of other things. You could really kind of posh this up. You could cut up pieces of like brie or camembert and do the same idea. That's right, that's done. I mean, they're not the prettiest looking things at the moment, but melty, cheesy goodness wrapped in a crispy coating, I really don't think you can go very wrong. Here's some we have prepared. I say we because it actually wasn't just me. There was more people involved in getting these ready than just myself. Right, these are gonna go in the air fryer for like 10 minutes and then hopefully gonna come out golden, gooey, and gorgeous. Right, 180, go. We've got to about 8 minutes. We can see through the window of the air fryer that the cheese is starting to goo out of some of our air fried cheesy things. So we're gonna stop it now and we're gonna get them out. They look pretty tasty. There is a lot of stringy cheese. I think it depends how well you've actually managed to coat them, and obviously it is a little bit tricky to get them completely 100% coated. We've got a couple of dips. I'm gonna try the sweet chili. That is gooey. It's crispy. Actually, the breadcrumb flavor on the outside is a bit plain. I think if I was gonna do this again, I'd wanna add some herbs, I'd wanna add some salt and some pepper into that, because that's a little bit of a plain flavor, even with the dunking. I'm gonna give this one a try now as well. I'm gonna dip into, we've got like a tomato-y pizza sauce. That's actually gone, that's nicer. They taste okay. I wouldn't say they taste amazing. If I was gonna do this again, I would put some salt and pepper in the coating, maybe some herbs, possibly even like put some chili in with the cheese, use a stronger cheese maybe. I think for kids who maybe like quite a plain, simple flavor, these might be okay, but for me, I want it to be a little bit tastier. They were really quite simple to make. They were a bit messy, but actually the mess is kind of part of the fun, especially if you want to do it with kids. So I'd recommend it, but I'd recommend putting a bit of a twist to it and making them a little bit tastier. I'm Fee, and you've been watching WBMTV, where we have been making air-fried cheesy bites, which are pretty good. Have you made them? Would you make them? What would you do to the recipe? What is your cheese of choice? Pop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and remember, we review so you don't have to.